Well, welcome to a new UPbuild garage video, and this one is going to be on the Mini, as the title is probably described. And as you can see, the garage is completely empty. So what are we going to do about it?
Got the trailer hitched up to the van there now, so let's go and seek her.
Brilliant. Let's go and get it. Right, there we go. That's that one unloaded. One off. One off the trailer. I'm going to put that back in here. So welcome to the old original garage. A long time since you've probably seen it. This is where we've been keeping the little Mk1. So we'll be getting it out and loading it up on the trailer.
The trailer's over there.
Over there. Get it up on top of the trailer. But this is us back in the old garage. Kind of got ourselves a bit more space where we are now compared to what we used to be. It's a little bit more space. So we've got the old engine in there as well for the MX5, for the 205 should I say, sorry.
The 205 engine.
205 engine, that one there. We're keeping bits and pieces in here. We've got most of the stuff out here. We've stored it in here while we're building the garage. So we'll actually store it in here, and then the other garage, the bottom garage where you saw stuff everywhere, to be honest.
We've got room in the other garage now to get it in the new garage.
Yes, it's much better.
Got to get it in the new garage and we'll be able to get on with it.
Exactly, aye. So we get it out here.
Let's have a good look at it and see what we need and what we don't need.
Exactly, what the plans are. We'll get it loaded up anyway, and then we'll have a good walk around it when we get down in the new garage, in our new UPbuild headquarters.
That's it.
There we go.
We'll get it down there and get it sorted out. Get organised.
Yeah. We'll chuck it on the tripod and get loaded up.
Yeah. You're up on the top now, come on. Come on, you're alright. Go on, you're alright. Go on, you can take it over a bit. Take it over a bit. You're alright. Even if it dropped off, you're alright.
Okay then?
Watch the corner of the door. Yeah, you're off here now. Okay, take it right in now.
Right.
Okay.
Hold on. Drop the head up.
You got it?
Yeah.
Pins out.
You leave it out now, get it all the way
Yeah,
around.
pins out.
Let the thing go in there.
That's it. She's around.
Look at that.
There she is. She's ready to drive out.
Not quite.
What was that, eh? What was that?
Brilliant. Oh, time for a beer.
That sounds like a good idea, you know.
Time for a beer. Oh, lovely. Well, we finally had time to use our new beer mats. Thank you to Michael. They're fantastic, mate. We love them. They're great, aren't they? Beer mats.
Beer mats.
They're great, aren't they? Aye, absolutely brilliant. Chuffed a bit to them. They only come out on special occasions when we're working on the Mini. That's why I haven't seen them, because we haven't been working on the Mini.
That's the way we're working on it.
It is, aye.
Yeah, a little while since.
Anyway.
Now we're getting on with it again. We've got the new beer mats out.
Wow, they'll only come out for that.
Yeah.
Cheers again, Michael. Brilliant, mate. Anyway, let's crack on. Let's have a walk around this Mini and see what we'll crack us with it. You right?
Yep. All set. All set now. Got it right this time.
Take 5. Is it 5?
It must be either 5 or 6 anyway.
5 shots of this.
Anyway.
Forgetting
back
to
in one
press
college anyway.
forgetting to press record, and then forgetting to press the sound doesn't work, and then other problems. Oh, never mind anyway. Right, we're back in the garage, as you can see. Here we are, back in the workshop with the Mini. Yay!
The new quarters. We're back in the new quarters.
The Mini's
anyway.
here. The Mini's here.
The Mini's eventually ended up here.
How pleased are you going to be with that?
We went and got it today and fetched her in here, and we've got her all sorted out now. Now we've got to do the work on her.
Aye. Oh, man.
Got a few-
I bet you're pleased to see her in the garage, though. Finally, we're going to do some work on the Mini. It's got to be the most asked question on the whole of the channel. Where's the Mini? What's happened with the Mini? Where's it at? Here it is, finally here. We've just really been walking around it saying we can't believe it's been like 5 years since we dragged it out the grass.
It was in the grass, though.
Aye.
Big long grass she was
Literally
in, and you
5
could hardly
years ago.
see it. Heap of scrap she was.
I know. Just a
Aye.
bit. We've changed just about every single panel on it. It's mad
Well,
to think
I think we have changed every panel
Yeah,
in the
we
car.
have,
Like,
aye,
we've
aye.
changed every panel. I mean, all these.
in a
inner
wings,
wings and even put the new for the doors, the
yeah.
Mark 1 doors, the hinges.
That's the
and
biggest
that.
thing, really. Where did we start? I suppose
Yeah.
we started with
Well, we started stripping
it down. Aye. Got out
Stripped
the
it all
grass.
down. Engine out,
Yeah.
interior, just to the bare shell.
Yeah, bare
Bare
bits,
shell.
aye. And so the
Yeah.
plan was obviously, as you know, to Mark 1 Mini conversion. So we thought, I mean, I think originally we're kind of just thinking we're going to rebuild the thing and put a Mark 1 front end on it like people do, and put a Mark 1 back end on it, which always looks really nice. You know, the mustache grill and the small wheel lights. But then I think something that's always really annoyed, well, I suppose it has annoyed us. They never ever have the external hinges or the proper Mark 1 doors.
And what made we do that though?
I was just going to say,
We went to
mini place.
like a mini
spares,
mini spares, which
Green
is
and white.
white and green minis.
green and whites, yeah.
Green white minis, and they had 2 doors, the Mark 1s.
Yeah.
So the right will buy them.
I think we paid 180 quid for those, 180 quid for 2
Uh,
doors.
Paid something like 100
180 quid, 180 quid I think we paid.
Yeah. But anyway, we bought them, we thought, right,
Come home and try them on.
it's never just putting Mark 1 doors on and not doing the rest. So
Well,
everything is,
We brought them home and tried them on.
oh, they would buy too little.
We keep big gap along the top. The rear quarter didn't fit, and obviously nothing to attach it on the front because external hinges.
They were completely different.
And we knew that. We knew. Well, I'm saying we knew that. We knew that there was a different size in them, but we didn't actually realise the quarter panels had to be changed, and obviously the door step had to be changed. It's all rounded at the front. I mean, I remember all that. I've seen the videos.
Got to change everything then. didn't we?
Yeah.
We fabricated a lot of stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
We had to
changed a lot.
fabricate because you couldn't buy it. But we did come up with one thing, didn't we? The 2 panels goes on the front, the 1 panel on the front,
In
fitted the...
Yeah, so
That was
you can't back. So basically, a Mark 1 and a Mark 2 shell, said this before, Mark 1 and Mark 2 shells are pretty much the same. The Mark 2 shell has obviously a different front grille, but I mean, that's only the front valance is different. And the rear lights on a Mark 2 are slightly bigger. And the rear window is the bigger rear window, which is carried on in the Mark 3, Mark 4 onwards. So the Mark 1 and Mark 2 shells are very much the same. So what I found was, we looked and realised that the profile of the front A panel, which you can buy the panels for, you can buy the switch panel, looked very similar to the B pillar, which is completely different. We had to refabricate a B pillar, and you can't buy a B pillar panel for a Mark 1 or Mark 2. And I thought, well, hang on, the front profile looks exactly the same on a Mark 1, so the panel for the front, we thought, well, that'll fit, won't it, if you use it on the opposite side, and it did. So the front, the actual B pillar panels are actually built from A pillar switch panels, just the opposite side. So an offside switch panel fits the near side, or offside fits the near side B pillar. You know what I mean? Opposite sides. Yeah. So yeah,
it was a good thing that done that. But mind that was the only thing we could buy then.
Yeah, it was. I
mean, the rest of it was fabricated.
After doing that, we could then fit a door. So a door would then fit on the car. As you probably
got the door fitted.
So it actually fits on the car. But you know, it's all lined up with panels.
We had to lower the top, make a panel for the top, fabricate the top and the door.
Like I said, new quarter panels, and
the
rear window were changed. A lot of work, obviously, as you've seen it in the videos, lots of work. We've done fabrication, obviously fixing parts of the car, like obviously the heel panel, that was all replaced, and obviously in and out.
We got there with it anyway, But we have come across a problem, haven't we?
We've got a bit of a problem, so it's going to be
a problem.
What we'll do is have a walk around the Mini and show you what our plans are for it, and the first thing is to fix a problem that we've got with it. So we'll bring you in and we'll show you what that is. We need to flip it over.
Yeah, we'll flip it over, then you'll see.
On our homemade rotisserie jig. We made that. One of the other things we did.
You want to take one then?
I'll take the light out.
Right, we'll flip it over.
As easy as that, look. Actually, I'll go this way. Got that door on that side.
It's one of the best things we made. We made this before we started on the Mini.
There you go, be alright. Perfect.
See? Perfect.
So the problem's over here. We'll show you that. I'll bring you in. Show you what the crack is. So, if you can see, can you see the problem? You notice that floor doesn't look very level.
There's a bit of a hump on here.
Definitely not straight, is it?
It's.
You look at the ridges. You can see the ridge here, and it sort of bevels across there. It's quite a lot worse in person than it probably looks on camera, but it's not great. So the problem is, what we did is when we first started working on the Mini, we just kind of were finding our way with panels, and we were buying end machine panels, heritage panels where we could, or where we wanted to spend the money, for inner wings. So we bought a Magnum floor, which comes with the sill all attached. They're 4 foot sills, as it would be on a Mark 1. So we bought a Magnum floor for this side, and then as we were kind of finding our way, we found end machine, which are produce all the Mini panels, but the quality is fantastic, really good quality. So we put an end machine panel on the far side. Didn't think that would be a problem at the time, but as we've been working on it in and out of the car, this panel on this side is bored us because it's just obviously a very sort of budget panel or a low quality panel really. So we've decided what we're going to do is just replace that. That's quite drastic obviously, because we're going to have to cut that whole floor out, which is a bit of a shame, but you know, we want to get it right, don't we?
It's got to be right. It's like rebuilding a motor, a car, and not putting it right.
Exactly. So
it's a fault in it, and that's got to be sorted.
Absolutely. So we've got to fix it.
That's got to be fixed. And we're going to turn back to the back wheel arches, the well here.
Yeah, the tubs, rear tubs.
We decided we're going to change them as well.
Yeah, because we didn't change them at the time, and if you can kind of see, there's a bit of... Get the camera to set up. Actually, not so bad on this side. We did a little bit of repair work, but you know, it's nothing too bad.
Yeah.
I suppose a learning curve, I suppose. But what we're going to do is, you probably see the other side. Actually, the other side's got a bit more patchwork in it. So we're going to replace both the rear tubs. You can see that one there. Look, it's got quite a bit of nasty patchwork being done at some point. So yeah, we'll decide you replace this whole tub with the shock mount. So that's kind of the next step really, is getting them, strip them out. The floor and the rear tubs, that's what we're going to be getting on with anyway. I think that makes sense, to replace those, do the job.
I think we'll replace them, that's the bodywork actually finished.
Yeah.
I think we've more or less cracked the bodywork for the Mark 1.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing with the camera. Cameraman's not very good. Sorry about that. Yes, as your dad said, replace those panels, make it right. And then we'll start sort of looking at, it's going to be more case of then bodywork then after that, just kind of preparing it for paint, really getting some sort of paint. And we're going to spend a lot of time sandblasting a lot of the areas awkward to get into, sand things back, get it back to bare metal again, give it a rust treatment or preservative, and then we'll start looking at then getting some paint on it, getting some epoxy paint on it, and then start bodywork on the panels. There's obviously a lot of bodywork, so probably going to be a bit of lead fill. I would have said lead fill on some of the panels. Obviously we need to put a front end on it. We do need to put a front end on it.
A bit of work yet to do, though, but we'll get there.
I mean, that's a very brief walk round what's happening with it anyway, so kind of gives you a bit of an overview of what's happening. There we go. Anyway,
we'll tip her back.
Back on its feet again.
Okay.
Not the right way
there
around.
we go.
Fantastic.
Very good.
Happy with that. That'll be alright there. We're not finished yet.
Eh?
We're not finished yet.
Oh.
There we go. So that's it. Back on its feet again. So as we've got them both in here now, so we kind of obviously we said we're going to do a little bit of work on the 205, and between the 205 and the Mini, we'll try and get a bit more regular with the videos. Obviously, we want to be trying to be a bit more regular on the Mini. That's the thing. Now make a start on this.
That's what we're really doing.
We'll get back to it now. Kind of got we've spent obviously a lot of time in here. A lot of our time's been taken in the garage.
We've rebuilt. Well, we built this.
We rebuilt it. We built it.
Not rebuilt.
We built
we
it.
built it. We've made a fantastic job on it because hopefully through time we'll be able to hire it at the back there for the two-poster lift in.
Yeah.
Through
it's
time.
Help along lines. It'll help a lot. But I don't know if you can hear outside. Let's give you a look. I'll show you outside. This is what's
throwing it down.
What it's protecting us from. Miserable. Yeah. Nicer in here.
Nice and dry in here. Nice and dry and warm.
It is. So hopefully we'll be able to crack on. Now we're have the car down here. Like I say, try and get some more regular updates on the Mini, and then I know you'll be happy to hear that. And like I say, there'll be a few bits on the 205, a few bits on the garage, bits and pieces we've been doing on the garage. We've been doing a lot of work which we're going to catch you up with as well on the work what we've done in here.
We'll be doing a lot more in here on the Mini.
Yes, looking forward to it.
We'll both get caught up on that.
First thing to do is get them floors. Need to go pick them panels up. We'll film getting them panels picked up, and then crack on with them. Like I say, carry on from there, and then yes.
Yeah, I think that's what we'll do.
Yeah, get in. I think that's
Let's get on with it.
Fantastic. Yes. Don't forget anyway, if you enjoy the videos, give it a like. Really appreciate that. Helps massively. Don't comment to below. Appreciate all them comments massively. Subscribe. Really appreciate the subscribing. It all helps. The crazy algorithm kind of trying to
it all
boost
helps.
the channel a bit.
Everything helps.
Yeah.
Mainly about this. Press this button, the thumb button.
Yes.
Press that.
Press that thumbs up button.
That thumbs up button. Brilliant. Brilliant.
I love your comments. Appreciate them a lot. Yeah. Many comments. Bring them in. Tell us what you think, what you do and don't like. Hopefully the sound's been a bit better. We've been getting some microphones because we've been told about microphones I don't know how many times.
Hopefully they're working better.
That's part of the problem why this is about the fifth time we've recorded because our microphones don't work.
Well, we've got to work on now.
Hopefully. Hopefully this is the one we use.
That's it. Very good.
Anyway, that's great for this. We'll see you all in this. We'll take care everyone anyway.
See you shortly.
See you.
Bye now. Wayala.